श्री हनुमान।
I discuss about the introduction of the matrix. What is the matrix? We can say matrix is arrangement of row and column. We can say M for number of rows, N for number of columns. So we can take an example: A 3 2 5 2 0 6 1 2 3 1 4 9. This is a matrix. And what is the order? First find the order. We can calculate the number of rows and columns. These are rows. This is called first row, R1. This is called R2, second row. This is R3, third row. And this is R4, fourth row. First row, second, third and fourth. These are called horizontal. Horizontal lines can be called as row. In the same way, this is first column. So we can write C1. This is C2, second column, and this is third column, C3. We can say C1 first column, C2 second column, and C3 third column. Now what is the order? Order is M into N. Here number of rows is 4, so we can write 4, and number of column is 3. Order of this is 4 into 3. 4 into 3 means total. When we multiply this is equal to number of element in a matrix. We take another examples. So I write here B 3 2 1 0 3 8 1 4. This is another shape of the matrix, in which this is row R1, this is R2, this is third row, this is fourth row, and column is C1 and this is C2. So order of this is 4 into 2. First write row multiply by number of columns. So order of this is 4 into 2, and total elements of this is 8 elements. We can say in this matrix there are 8 elements, and in this matrix there are 12 elements. Number of element is 12. The product of order is equal to number of elements in these questions. Now addition and subtraction of the matrix. How can we add and subtract? Addition and subtraction of matrix. How can we add and how can we subtract? The first condition for that is order must be same. Order of matrix should be same. ये कंडीशन है, दोनों जो मैट्रिक्स हैं उनका ऑर्डर मस्ट बी सेम, देन वी कैन ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट. फॉर एग्जांपल A 3 2 4 6 and take B 4 0 2 7. There are two matrices. Order of this is 2 into 2. order of this is 2 into 2. So we can add and subtract. Now I am adding A plus B. A plus B. This is 3, this is 4. 3 and 4 sevens. 2 plus 0 is 2. 4 and 2 is 6. 6 and 7 is 13. So sum of A plus B is 7, 2, 6, 13. And order of this also 2 into 2. There is no difference in the order. Then A minus B. A minus B. We subtract. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. 2 minus 0 is 2. Next 4 into 2 is 2. 6 minus 7 is minus 1. Order of this is also 2 into 2. So addition and subtraction, a necessary condition is that the order of the matrices should be same. Order must be same. Order 2 into 2, order 2 into 2. When we add and subtract, we can see that order of the sum of the matrix and subtraction of the matrix should be equals. Now take an example. A 3 6 2 0 4 3 and B 5 2 1 0 2 6. Order of this is 3 into 2. Order of this is 3 into 2. So we can add. Now I am adding A. We find 3A plus 4B. Multiply all the element by 3 here. This is 3A. 9, 18, 6, 0, 12 and 9. This is value of 3A. And now 4B plus. Multiply every element by 4. We get 20, 8, 4, 0, 4 to 8, 6, 4, 24. Now we can add 9 plus 29, 29, 8, 18 plus 8, 26, 6 plus 4, 10, 0 plus 0 is 0, 12 plus 8, 20, 9 plus 24 is 33. We can say order of this are so equal to 3 into 2. Order is same. If we calculate 3A minus 4B, then 9, 18, 6, 0, 12, 9 minus 28, 4, 0, 8, 24. Now consider negative sign. 9 minus 20 minus 11, 18 minus 8, 10. In the next 6 minus 4, 2. 0 minus 0 is also 0. 12 minus 8 is 4. 9 minus 24, that is equal to minus 50. Order of this also equal to 3 into 3. So from this example, it is clear when we add and subtract, order must be same for the matrices. Now I am taking about the position of element in a matrix. What is the location of the matrix? We take an example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I take a matrix of order 3 into 4. Now position of element. We take this, the position of this is A11. What is the meaning of A11? First row, first column. This element shows first row and first column. And 2, A12, it indicates first row, second column. This is A13, first row, third column. And this is A14, indicate this is the first row and fourth column. In the same way, we can say address of this A21, it means second row, first column. This is A22, second row, second column. This is A23, second row, third column, and this is A24, second row and fourth columns. This is the address of the elements. Now this is equal to A31 because there are 3 row and 1 column. 10 A32. This is A33 and this is A34. So we can write address of this, all the elements. This is the address. We take another example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A matrix of this type, order 4 into 2. Now address of this. This is the first row, first column. We can write A11. This is A12. Now 3. A21. A22. Now 5. A31. A32. And 7. A3. A41. And A42. These are the address of the elements. Take another example. C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Order of this is 2 into 4. And address of elements. Here 1. A11. A12. A13. A14. And address of this 5. A21. A22. A23. A24. So these are the address of the elements. I am taking an example. Construct a 2 into 3 matrix whose elements are given by Aij equal to 2i plus j. We form an element of 2 into 3 matrix. First, draw a matrix of 2 into 3. Write their address. A यानी कि 2 row and 3 columns. A11, A12, A13. In the second, A21, A22, A23. This is the 2 into 3 matrix. First, draw a matrix of order 2 into 3. Now we using Aij, this formula 2i plus j. A11, what is the represent this? Value of row 1, column is 1. It means put I equal to 1 here. 2 into 1 plus 1, solve it. This is 2 plus 1, we can write 3. So A11 equal to 3. In the second, A12. 2 into 1 plus 2, this is equal to 2 plus 2 यानी कि 4. A13, put the value of I1 or J3 here. 2 into 1 plus 3, 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. In the same way, we calculate this row. A21, here put I equal to 2 and column equal to 1, यानी कि 2 into 2 plus 1, solid 4 plus 1 यानी कि 5. A22, put I and J both equal to 2. 2 into 2 plus 2, we get 2 into 2 4 plus 2 यानी कि 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. A23, 2 into 2 plus 3, we get 4 plus 3 यानी कि 7. We write all the elements value. Now put in this form. A11 3, A12 4, right here 4, next 5, this is A11, this is A12, this is A13. In the second A21, value A21 is 5, next 6 and 7. So this is the matrix of 2 into 3, 2 row and 3 columns. बच्चों आपको कोई डाउट है, अगर पूछना चाहते हो तो कमेंट्स बॉक्स में भेज देना.